Guys, medyo ang weather forecast for today. Hi, what's up, guys? This is Marco Massa, and of course, I'll be playing the role of Zion here in You're My Favorite Song.
May Islamo questions ako. Quick questions, quick answers. So,
Okay.
zodiac sign.
Leo.
Hindi sure.
Leo.
Dream vacation.
Japan.
Favorite pet.
Favorite pet? Dog.
Favorite food.
Food? Crispy pata.
Favorite color.
Favorite color? Blue.
Ideal date.
Ideal date? Dinner. It's romantic na dinner. Like fine dining.
Biggest pet peeve.
Biggest pet peeve? Yung, yung phrase na parang, ay, hindi ka na namin niyaya, akala kasi namin kasi sa amin.
Ay. Tell me more about your character and what's the most exciting about him?
Okay guys, so I'll be playing the role of Zion. Zion is medyo awkward siya, medyo mahiyain, yung pagka-nerdy. And siguro what's exciting about him is that despite na nabubully siya, he's really positive about things. Kumbaga yung aura niya is very light, and as much as possible, hindi niya hinahayaang madiktahan ng hardships niya yung kung ano yung ipapakita niya at yung magiging personality niya.
What's the biggest green flag and red flag about your character?
Biggest red flag about my character siguro is that at first, he can't stand up for himself. And the biggest green flag sa kanya is how composed he is and how he would do his best to protect his friends, lalo na yun si Angel.
Majority ng cast ay teen. So, do you get shy when filming romantic scenes? And paano mo ino-overcome to?
Siguro, when it comes to romantic scenes, honestly, sa cast namin, hindi ako ganun nahihirapan dahil yung chemistry namin siguro, dahil since close na kami, mas madali na kami to connect with each other. But of course, there are times na parang medyo ma-awkward ka. But since I've been doing this for quite a while now, kumbaga alam ko na kung paano i-navigate yung sarili ko to be more open. And of course, para mas maging comfortable din yung ka-eksena ko, yun yung priority ko talaga. Yung kung comfortable yung ka-eksena mo.
What's the most romantic gesture that works in dramas but would be creepy in real life?
Siguro yung like sinusundan mo siya wherever she goes. Kasi in dramas, they could see it as he's just trying to look out for her. And depende yun sa pagkakapalabas. But siguro in real life, tas lalo na medyo hindi mo alam, tas sinusundan ka, siguro medyo nakakatakot yun.
If your life right now had a theme song, what would it be and why?
Never say never. Nasabi ko na kanina. Well, maybe because, of course, darating ka sa point ng buhay mo where you're gonna doubt yourself, or you're gonna doubt the things that you do, you know, your passion for things, and the things that you're good at. But just never say never. Just keep on improving.
And pwede ba mag-sample?
Okay.
Small lines lang from
Actually,
Never Say
first
Never.
time lang natin. I never thought that I could walk through fire.
Yes.
Yo, so that's it. I'm Marco Massa, and you're watching Lionheart TV.